Sorry, I hope my voice is clear now. Okay, so basically we started talking about the Linux operating system, and the main agenda that we want to start with the Oracle DBA. But before we start with the Oracle DBA, we need to start understanding the SQL and Linux. But primarily we have focused on Linux now. In future we are going to learn about the, I hope my voice is clear now. Okay, so basically we started talking about the Linux. Okay, so let's do one thing. We have installed the Ubuntu operating system yesterday, right? And also we have discussed few commands in Linux operating system. I'm going to continue those Linux command, but I was expecting from everyone that you guys are ready with the installation of Ubuntu. So is it done, guys, on your laptop? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, that's nice. So what I will do, first of all, I am going to open the VirtualBox, and you can directly start the machine. So I'm just starting your machine now. Okay, so the machine is getting started. So as I said earlier also, whenever you need to, you think that okay, this is the time where I want to do the practice, that time only start the machine, because when your machine is running now, it will consume your memory, it will consume your CPU, right? So just stop the machine when you don't want to run it. So how to stop it? Right click, stop, and just say power off. This way you can power off the machine. Now my machine is running, so I will just log in here with the help of Oracle. So I got the desktop where I have options to open a terminal. So I'll just say right click, open terminal, and I got the terminal here. Now if I want to know that where I am right now, what is my current location, so if I just say pwd, so present working directory, pwd will tell me what is my current location. So currently I am in home, then learnermate, then desktop. I am inside the home, learnermate, and desktop. Second thing is where I am right now, I am inside the desktop location. If I want to know, if I want to list what all directories are available in that location, so I'll simply fire a command like ls-lrt, and I can see here that I have a directory called dir1, dir2, dir3, dir4. Let's say I want to create a directory, so I'll simply run the command like mkdir dir5, and this is basically create my directory number 5th. If I want to list that directory, again I will say ls-lrt. I can see here that the directory number 5 has been created. I want to go inside that directory, so I'll say cd dir5, and now I can see here that I am inside the dir5 now. So if I do ls-lrt, that will list the directories from that current location. And what is my current location? dir5. I'll give you a small assignment you guys can try on your laptop. Assuming that you are on the desktop location, okay, you need to create a directory with the name. I will show you the command also. Let's create f1 directory. Let's create one more directory with the name mkdir f2. Then go inside the f1 directory, okay, or let's do one thing. So first of all, create f1 and f2, and then just list the directory. How to list? ls-lrt. If you list the directory, you should be able to see f1 and f2. Then you need to go inside the f1, okay, and then check your present working directory. So your present working directory should be under desktop f1. Then you can try to do ls-lrt. You should not get anything, so that will be total 0, means basically f1 does not have anything available. So this is the small assignment you need to do. I am giving you 5 minutes. Try it and let me know once it is done. Please use the chat option and say yes if you are able to do that. If you face the challenges, I am going to show you practically. So I'm assuming that you are inside the desktop location. You need to create two directories, f1 and f2. Then list the directory because you created a directory, so obviously you will be able to see f1 and f2. Go inside the f1. So just check your present working directory. So your present working directory will be f1. If you try to list, nothing will be there because you do not have anything available under f1. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? All right, let's do that. Okay, let's do that and let me know once it is done. So that is the reason I'm telling you, come up with the installation, come up with the laptop with me. Okay, please do that. Okay, within 5 minutes you need to complete this and I'll show you. Okay. All right, so okay, so fine. So I can see most of the people have done it very well. Let me show you what exactly I'm trying to do. See, I ask you to create a directory F1 and F2 under desktop. I'm not inside the desktop, right? I'm inside the DR5. So desktop is available like before the DR5, right? Before the DR5, you can see desktop. So when you want to go back now, like let's say I want to go back one step back from DR5 to the desktop. So you can say cd dot dot. So right now I'm inside the desktop. So whenever you want to go one step back, that time you can use cd space dot dot. So I said mkdir f1, I want to create f1 directory, mkdir f2, I have created these two directory. Now I want to list. What I want to do? I want to list. So I'll say ls hyphen lrt, and when I list it, I can see that f1 and f2 are there. Now what I need to do, I want to go inside the f1. So I'll say cd and f1, and now I am inside the f1. What I want to do, I want to list it now. So I'll say ls hyphen lrt. When I list it, I'm not able to see here. Total 0 is mentioned here. Why? Because there are no directories or any other files available under f1. So that's the way you can do that. Any question, guys? Any question here? Is it clear? Please let me know if you have any questions. Okay. Okay. Now let's try to understand the directory structure. So I'm going to make you understand about the directory structure in Linux. Okay. So if you just take the example of desktop only, the complete desktop path is /home, which is my home directory. Under that there is a username with the name learnomate, and then you have desktop folder is there. So if I want to break this complete path, so basically this slash, we call it as a root partition. In Linux operating system, everything is available under root partition. So we have root partition. Under root you have a folder called home. Under home you have a folder called learnomate, and under learnomate you have a folder called desktop. And then we created our f1 and f2, all those directory under desktop only. Under this desktop we created our f1, f2, dir1, dir2, all those are available under desktop, correct? If you want to create anything under root partition, normally normal user cannot create anything under root partitions. You can create anything under your home path, like which is /home /learnomate. Under that path, a learnomate user has a permission to create a folder channel. Now what I want you to do, I want to do something like this. Let's say you are inside a desktop location. And I want to create a directory structure like, first of all, let's create dir1. Under dir1 you need to create dir2. Under dir2 you need to create dir3. So the complete path will be looking like this: desktop, then dir1, then dir2, and then dir3. This is the way your complete path will looks like this. So what I'm trying to say, let me repeat it again. Under desktop, first of all create dir1. If you already have, no worries, directly create dir2, but dir2 is available under dir1. So what you need to do, basically, first of all you need to go inside the dir1, and then you need to create this mkdir dir2. Then you need to go inside the dir2, and then you need to create mkdir dir3. So this is just a hint, you guys can try. So whenever you want to create a directory like dir2, you need to go inside the dir1. Whenever you want to create dir3, you need to go inside that dir2. Just like in Windows also, if I want to create a folder in C drive, so first of all I'll go inside the C drive, and then I'll say right click and new folder. Let's say I want to create a folder under app, so I'll go inside the app and then I'll say new folder. Are you able to understand, everyone? Can you do that? Can you create this structure? Can you create this under desktop? Please do that and let me know if you're able to do that. Please do that and let me know if you're able to do that. All right, so I can see you people have done. So what I said, first of all, you need to create dir1, under dir1 dir2, and under dir2 dir3. So if I go here cd dot dot, let me clear the screen, clear. So I'll say mkdir dir1. Under desktop we need to create dir1. Then see this dir1 got created. I can see dir1. I'll go inside the dir1. I'll create dir2, and I need to go inside the dir2 because I want to create dir3 here, dir3. So if I go inside the dir3, you can see my complete path is so this is my complete desktop path, then dir1, then dir2, and then dir3. Okay, so this is the way you can create a directory. This is the way you can create a directory, one inside another, one inside another. Able to understand, everyone? If you have not done, then please do that in next 2 minutes. Okay, if you have not done, then please do that in next 2 minutes and close this. Fine. So okay, so what we have done till now, we have basically created a directory, one inside another. But let's take an example. I want to create a directory structure, like let's say I'm inside a desktop. Under desktop I want to create data, and then app, AWP, then Oracle, then let's say product, then let's say 19c DB home. Okay, so basically here I need to create almost 6 directories are there. So are you going to run mkdir data, then cd data and all, right? This is not a right way to create a directory. When I know that I need to create a data directory under data app, and then Oracle, and then product, then 19c and DB home, there is a shortcut method you can use. We call it as a mkdir -p. So what this command will do, first of all, it will create data directory. Under data, automatically it will create app, then Oracle, then product, then 19c, then DB home. Automatically it will create, guys. You don't need to create that. So whenever you want to create a list of directory, one inside another, simply use mkdir -p. So I'll show you this practically. Let's say I'll go to the desktop. First of all, how to go desktop? cd dot dot cd dot dot cd dot dot. Now I'm inside the desktop. I'll clear the screen and I'll say mkdir hyphen p. What is the data folder? App Oracle product PRODU product 19C DB home. Done. So what you can see under desktop, which folder I created? Data. So if you see the GUI screen na, data folder got created under data app Oracle product 90C DB home. So within a single shot I created a multiple directive one inside another. I don't need to write down a multiple commands. Mkdir hyphen p is a parent directory. So first of all, it will create parent directory data, then app, then Oracle, then product 90 in DB home. So whenever you want to create a multiple directory one inside another, simply use mkdir hyphen p. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Please try to do it on your laptop and let me know once it is done. Please try to do it on your laptop and let me know once it is done.
Hello, Ankush Sir. I guess you are on mute.
Acha, can you hear me now? So
Yeah,
just now
yeah.
we have seen that how you can create a directive one inside another. Okay. Now let's take an example. I want to go inside the DB home. See, many people are making the mistake here. What these people are doing, let's say I'm asking them that I want to go inside the DB home. So normally they will run the command like cd db home. But does DB home is available under desktop location? No, it is not there. Where is the DB home? The DB home is available under data and then app and then Oracle and all, right? So one way is you can say cd data, then cd app, cd Oracle. You will do something like this. But that is also very long, lengthy process, right? What I can do, I'm already inside the Oracle. After Oracle, which folder is there? Product 19C and DB home. I can directly give the path product, then 19C DB home, and I'm directly over here. Let's say I'll show you one more example. Let's say I'm inside the desktop. So where is my desktop? CD. When I use only CD command, only CD, I'll directly come to the home directory slash home slash learnomet. Slash home slash learnomet. When I do CD command only, means change the directory, I'll directly come to the learnomet home location. After here we have a folder called desktop, right? So I'll say cd desktop. D is capital, remember that. Now if I say I want to go inside the DB home, here I'll directly copy that path. I know the complete path. I'll paste it and see, within a single shot I'll go to the DB home. This is similar like a Windows. I'll tell you one example. Let's say in Windows I want to go inside this folder called 21C audit. Let's say I want to go inside this folder. I have a path. Okay, I'll close this. I have a path. I copied that path, and if I just paste that path here so it is cd path, press enter. Directly I'm going inside the audit folder where XC folder is available. So whenever you want to go from one folder to another folder, let's say whenever you want to move from one folder to another folder, just say cd and you need to provide the complete path. So you'll go to that path. If you just press cd command you will go to the home directory, home, and then learnomet of that user. Learnomet user home directory will go only cd. When you say cd dot dot, you will be like one step back. It's like one step back. And if you give complete path cd and complete path like data, then app, and let's say Oracle, then you will directly go till Oracle location. Directly go till Oracle location. Did you understand, everyone? Cd dot dot and this cd complete path. Did you understand, everyone? Everyone, any question? Any question? Is it clear?
Uh, yes, I'm just having a question. If you don't know the exact path, so in
Then you
that
need to
case,
do
how can
ls
you?
hyphen lrt only. So if you don't know the path, let's say, so I'll go, let's say I'm inside a desktop. I don't know complete path. So I'll say ls hyphen lrt. I know, okay, under desktop, I have data. So I'll go to the data first. Under data, which folder is there? App. Under app, which folder is there? Oracle. So you can see here, one by one
Okay,
only you need to go then.
okay.
Sir, in Linux, we want to copy what is the command
But are we discussing about the copy now?
you had copy the path, no, sir. That's why I'm asking.
Achha, this one, I'll just
Yes.
copy, right click and copy.
Okay.
So this is just a text, double click, right click, copy and paste. One more shortcut I'll give you. See, usually you might have seen. See here, we have desktop folder is there, right? So I will not give complete name of desktop. I'll say DE. Okay. Press tab. Automatically it will complete the name. Provided that folder should be available in that location. Let me repeat it one more time. CD, and I want to go inside the desktop. So I'll say DE. Press tab. First two letter or one letter is fine. Tab, and automatically it will complete the name. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, please do that. Okay, please try to complete this. So we have this path now. Try to go here, use that cd dot dot only cd, run these commands. Okay, run this command and let me know once it is done. Run this command and let me know once it is done. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so fine. Okay, so let's keep it, or let's stop here only. So we discuss about some interesting stuffs regarding the directory structure. We discuss about how to create a directory one inside another by using mkdir-p. We discuss about the command like cd dot dot, and by using the cd how you can directly go into that path. So these are the basic commands we have learned today. In the next lecture, I'll talk about another important commands which are related to the Linux. So we will be connecting from Monday to Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you guys can work on the practicals. Okay. So please complete the installation in this weekend time if you have not complete that. And from Monday, we will continue this your Linux command. Okay. Fine, everyone. Any questions? Any queries?
Yeah, Ankush, sir, just having a question. Where we will get the study material? So could you please.
In your group, we will send it to you. Okay.
uh,
All right. Okay then. Thanks. Bye bye, guys. Let's connect
Thank
on
you,
Monday.
sir.
But please make sure you complete the installation of Linux. Okay.